I'm making my way into Dollar Tree today to hunt for some coloring supplies. And if you're a senior and you don't know where to start, then by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to buy, all on a senior-friendly budget. Depending on your Dollar Tree, there's a lot of options for adult coloring books, and there's lots of different subjects. And if you can't find any coloring books with themes that you like, then just head to another Dollar Tree, and more than likely, they will have plenty at that location. Now for me, I didn't start with adult coloring books when I first started coloring. I picked out some simple children's coloring books, some basic colored pencils, crayons, and just worked up from there. And you'll find out pretty fast that paper quality is really important. Just starting out, maybe just buy 2 or 3 coloring books with themes that you know you're going to like to color. That way, if you get into it and you decide that you really don't like coloring, you've not spent a lot of money on expensive coloring books and supplies. And now that you've picked your coloring books, let's move on to more simple supplies that are budget friendly for you. And now let's pick some simple things to color with. You can choose colored pencils, you can do crayons, markers, gel pens. It's whatever you want to use to create your coloring pages. Here's a set of some basic colored markers, and they have tips on either end. And here's a set of 20 markers that has a little bit more of a color variety. This set of jumbo sized crayons would be perfect for anyone who might have trouble using their hands. They might have arthritis or just trouble grasping things. So even a basic set of crayons like this would help you with your fingers and hands. And here is a set of jumbo-sized crayons that are triangular shaped. And you wouldn't think it, but these are better for gripping in your hands, and you also don't have to worry about those rolling off the table because of the triangular shape. This Dollar Tree had several sets of different kinds of colored pencil sets, and it really just depends on if you want a larger variety of colors or if you just want name brand. If you choose colored pencils to color with, you'll need just a basic pencil sharpener, nothing fancy. And if you're using colored pencils, you might want to get yourself an eraser as well. Even getting these basic supplies, you should spend under $10. I know Dollar Tree is changing a lot of their pricing, but to get 2 standard coloring books, you can choose colored pencils, markers, or crayons. You don't have to get all 3, but if you want to try all 3, that's fine too. If you do get colored pencils, you will need an eraser and a pencil sharpener. And you might even decide to get yourself a little plastic container just to hold your pencils and your supplies in. And I saw these little velvet poster coloring kits that I thought would be perfect for those if you really want to start basic. It comes with a coloring poster, sometimes just a smaller page. It comes with some very basic markers, but this is a great way to start, and it'll only cost you less than $2. Coloring is the easiest hobby to start because you need very few supplies. I hope these tips will encourage you to start your own coloring journey and to go create your own coloring kit that's budget friendly. And if you'd like to see more of this type of video for seniors, then drop me a comment below.